Hello guys, this is DJ Ties, and as I promised that my next video is I'm gonna play my Mac Pro to my Pioneer DJM 700 into my KRK speaker. So this video is all about the KRK speaker, and now I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna play a track going to my KRK speaker, and we'll see what it sounds like. Alright. The speaker is amazing. The sound, you can hear everything. Tweeter, the sneezing sound, it's there. Okay, so probably today I'm gonna go to the store and get the other pair. So I have two and computer in the middle. So this is only a demo. I bought one because I want to try it, and if I'm not satisfied, I'm gonna return it. But I think that I'm satisfied, so I'm gonna get the other pair. Very awesome speaker. It's a Krk Rokit 5-inch speaker, built in with amplifier inside. Amazing speaker. Okay guys, now you've seen the KRK. Hope you guys like the video, and you know, if you guys wanted to get a speaker, KRK for computer, very decent speaker. Guys, this is a video for KRK and my Mac Pro and my Pioneer DJM 700. Okay. Alright guys, you see my video. Practice and enjoy. This DJ Times.